Hey everyone, today I will show you how you can make a disk partition in Windows 11. So first, what you want to do is you need to search for disk management, and as you can see this will pop up and you can just click on it. So I'm gonna use this C drive right here and I'm gonna right click and you can just click shrink volume, and it is shrinking your volume. You can just wait for a bit, and now you can see that you can actually enter the amount of space you want to shrink. I'm just gonna type in 1000 megabytes and you can just click shrink, and after that you can see that 1000 megabytes has been unallocated, and you can just click on this. You can right click and you can click on this new simple volume, click next. You can just double check if this is right or not, click next again. Now you can see that you can change the letter of your drive or disk. I'm just gonna keep using the E and click next, next, and finish. Alright, now if you go to your file explorer, you go to your My PC and you go here, you can see that there is a new disk. Now you know how to make a disk partition in Windows 11. If you guys have any questions, you can just leave down in the comments below and I'll try to answer all of it. Thanks for watching.